In this video, we are going to talk about 2D and 3D particles. The main difference between 2D and 3D particles is that 2D particles are on a plane, while 3D particles add depth to your project. First of all, we are going to create a 2D particle. To create one of these, you need to right-click in your Scene Manager and go Add Object, GL, 2D, Particle 2D. You will have to go to onebyOneDesign.com/particle editor to create your particle. This website lets you edit the colour, size, shape, speed, etc. of your particle as I'm doing here. You can toggle the different options to get the sort of 2D particle you wish. After you've finished creating your particle, you need to click Export Particle and save your particle to your desktop. Once you have saved the zip file to your desktop, you'll need to open the file and place the two files within it into your project's particle folder in your MobileMill folder, like this. You then need to go back to MobileMill and select Particle 2D_1 in the project window before going over to the Properties window and going to Particle Location under Appearance and selecting your particle. When you move your particle around the Designer View screen, you will see that you are moving the source of the particle and that everything emitting from the source moves with it. It should be noted that you may need to change the speed of your particle if it appears upside down when you put it in your project. If you change your mind over the look of your particle, you can either recreate your particle online or edit the code of your particle by right-clicking on the particle.pex in your MobileMill folder and changing some of the properties. I'm doing this in Notepad++. As you can see, you can edit the values of your particle under different variables. We are now going to create a 3D particle. To create a 3D particle, you need to write it yourself in a text file and save it as an XML. Here is an example of a 3D particle XML on screen. This example will also be available in the MobileMill user document. To create a 3D particle component in MobileMill, you need to right-click on the Scene Manager and go Add Object, GL, Objects, Particle. You need to place the XML document of your particle in the Particles folder of your MobileMill folder and also place it in your Materials folder, as 3D particles need a material. When you go back to MobileMill, you need to select Particle_1 in your project window before going over to the Properties window and selecting your particle from the drop-down list next to Particle Location under Appearance. Your 3D particle should then appear in the Designer View window. There is no external editor for a 3D particle. It is internal. What you can do is set the values for it in Notepad++. Again, if you do make any changes in the Notepad++ of your particle, you need to save and then refresh the Designer window in MobileMill for the changes to apply.